Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics Paper 2, October-November 2024. Today we try to solve question number 3. This is from trigonometry. Question number 3a. Show that bracket 2 tan theta plus sec theta bracket close, another bracket 2 tan theta minus sec theta equals to 3 tan squared theta minus 1. So if you observe, you can able to see this is same term, but here minus sign. So we know the formula a plus b into a minus b, it will be a square minus b square. So like this, same thing, but opposite sign. So you can write here 2 tan theta whole square minus sec theta whole square. This is left part. We try to do left part. We try to convert left part into this part. So it will be 4 tan square theta minus sec square theta. And another formula, it is given sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So 4 tan square theta, instead of sec square theta, you can write here 1 plus tan square theta. So 4 tan square theta minus 1 minus tan square theta. Now if we subtract from 4 tan square theta, so it will be 3 tan square theta minus 1. So same part. So this is right hand side. This is right hand side. Therefore, left hand side goes to right hand side. That means shown. Or A number completed. Number B. Hence solve the equation bracket 2 tan theta plus sec theta bracket close. Another bracket 2 tan theta minus sec theta equals to 1. For theta greater than equals to 0, less than equals to 180 degree. That means our interval is within two quadrant. That means first and second quadrant. We will observe where tan theta result between these two quadrant. So 2 tan theta plus sec theta, another bracket 2 tan theta minus sec theta equals to 1. So instead of this part, we can write here 3 tan square theta minus 1 equals to 1. Now minus 1, when it's going the right side, it will be plus 2. So tan square theta equals to 2 by 3. So tan theta equals to a square root. If we do square root, it will be plus minus root over 2 by 3. Now we can write here tan theta equals to plus root over 2 by 3, or tan theta equals to minus root over 2 by 3. So theta equals to tan inverse root over 2 by 3. So it will be 39, tan inverse root over 2 by 3, it will be 39.2. And this result obviously in the first quadrant. Now from here we will get theta equals to minus tan inverse root over 2 by 3. So we'll get here minus 39.2 degree. So minus, we have to write the answer in positive sign, and tan theta is negative in the second quadrant. For this reason, so get the result in the second quadrant from 180. So from here to here, this is 180. From 180 degree, we have to subtract 39.2 degree. So what we get? We will get here 140.8 degree. So final answer minus theta will be 39.2 degree, where 10 is positive, and theta equals to 140.8 degree, where 10 is negative. I think everybody understand this maths. If you have confusion, please contact with me, or you can join my online math classes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all.